The 6 most important things to do before a flood hits, how to prepare for a flood and protect your home. Floods are the most common natural disaster worldwide, and being prepared can make all the difference. In this video, we'll walk you through the 6 most important steps to protect your home, car, and belongings before a flood. We'll also recommend products to help you prepare. Find the links in the description below. Plus, you can visit readypreplists.com to download free preparation checklists to help you get ready for any disaster. Let's get started. First, install flood barriers around your home. This is your first line of defense to stop floodwaters from entering through doorways, garages, and low windows. Flood barriers are essential in any flood preparedness kit. Flood barriers, like sandbags or portable water dams, are quick to deploy and effective at blocking water. They're reusable, lightweight, and can save you from significant water damage. Got your flood barriers ready? Stick around because there's more you need to know. Step 2. Elevate your valuables. Move important documents, electronics, and sentimental items to higher ground or shelves. Store essential documents like birth certificates, passports, and insurance papers in waterproof containers to keep them safe from water damage. Why is this important? Once floodwaters breach your home, protecting these irreplaceable items becomes nearly impossible, so move them now. Step 3. Set up a sump pump. If you live in a flood-prone area, a sump pump is essential to keep water out of your basement or crawl space. Consider getting a battery-powered sump pump in case the power goes out during a storm. Sump pumps help prevent mold, mildew, and structural damage by draining water away from your home. Don't wait for the flood to happen, get yours set up in advance. Next, review your insurance policy. Whether you own or rent, flood insurance is a must in flood-prone areas. Homeowner policies typically don't cover flood damage, so check if your policy includes a flood rider or if you need separate coverage through the National Flood Insurance Program. If you're a renter, make sure your renter's insurance covers flood damage. Preparing now could save you thousands in damage and give you peace of mind knowing your home is covered. Finally, seal any cracks and leaks. Floodwater can enter your home through the smallest gaps, so check your foundation, windows, and walls for cracks and seal them up before the storm hits. Even a tiny crack can allow gallons of water into your home, causing significant damage. Use caulking, weather stripping, and waterproof sealants to reinforce your home's defense against floods. Remember, the most important thing you can do is to make a plan. Preparing for a flood isn't just about the things you buy, it's about knowing how to respond. Make sure you and your family have an evacuation plan, know your area's flood risks, and stay informed. For more detailed information, visit websites like FEMA, the Red Cross, and your local authorities to get the most up-to-date advice on flood preparedness. Those are the 6 most important steps to protect your home before a flood. Check the description for our downloadable flood preparedness checklist and links to recommended products on Amazon. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ready Prep Lists for more emergency prep tips.